Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Right now, I'm going to explain about different types of triangle. In primary 5, we are going to learn around 6 different types of triangles. Okay, like you know, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. So the first type of triangle we're going to learn is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has both 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. This is the example of isosceles triangle. It has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. Okay. The second type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Now, equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all 3 sides are equal. All 3 internal angles are also congruent to each other and are each 60 degrees. So here's the example of equilateral triangle because it has 3 equal sides and then 3 equal angles. We know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle, it has to be made 180 degrees. So if we want to make all the angles, internal angles of a triangle are equal, then we just have to make 180 degrees divided by 3, which is 60 degrees. So whenever you see that a triangle has 360 degrees angles, internal angles, then for sure that triangle is equilateral triangle. The third type of triangle is acute triangle. Acute angle triangle is a triangle with 3 acute angles. Now we know that acute angle is an angle that less than 90 degrees. So acute angle triangle, it means a triangle that all the angles inside of the triangle, it has to be less than 90 degrees. This is the example of acute angle triangle. The fourth type of triangle is right angle triangle. Now, right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is right angle. That is a 90 degrees angle. Now, you can see a triangle, the sum of all angles inside of a triangle, it has to be made 180 degrees. So if this one is already 90 degrees, so the other 2, it has to be made 90 degrees. It can be this one. This is the example for 90 degrees and 45 degrees and 45 degrees. This triangle can be called an isosceles triangle too. Why? Because it has 2 equal angles, 2 equal sides. So this triangle can be called right angle triangle and also an isosceles triangle. Okay, so the fifth type of triangle that we are going to learn is a triangle that has one of the angles is an obtuse angle or more than 90 degrees. Then it is called obtuse angle triangle. So if it's a triangle, one of the angle, it has to be bigger, it is bigger than 90 degrees, then it is obtuse angle triangle. Now, for sure, it has to be only one more than 90 degrees because the sum of all the angles inside of a triangle has to be just make 180 degrees. So if it's one of the angle, it's already more than 90 degrees, of course the other two can be, it has to be less than 90 degrees. Now this triangle also can be called isosceles triangle because it has two equal angles, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. The last type of triangle that we are going to learn is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is triangle in which all the three sides are in different lengths and all the three angles are of different measures. Now, if this triangle, and each of the angle is different, this triangle is called a scalene triangle because they have different angle, different measure of angles. Then it is called scalene triangle. So a triangle actually can be called with two different names, like this one can be called acute angle triangle and also can be called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so here is the question. Actually, I answered them already, but I'm going to explain it to you. So the question is, in triangle ABC, side CA is equal with side CD. The length of CA is equal with the length of CD. Find angle CAD and CBD. So here angle CAD, it is equal with angle CDA because it's already mentioned here CA equal with CD. So for sure this triangle CAB is an isosceles triangle. Now, if you notice here 90 degrees. So angle CAD is 180 degrees, a triangle, minus 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. And then we divide it by 2 because angle CAD and CDA, they are equal. So we just divide it by 2. And then the answer is 45 degrees. Angle ACB, in here because we are going to find angle CBD. So angle ACB is actually 90 degrees plus 17 degrees. So 90 plus 17 is 107 degrees. Now, like we can see in here, angle CBD, it's actually same with angle CBA because it's a straight line. And then angle CAD, it's actually same with angle CAB. So angle CBD, we can count 180 degrees minus angle ACB, which is 107 degrees, minus angle CAD, it's 45 degrees. Then it is the answer 28 degrees. Okay, hope you can understand.